Yo, 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 what's up, my homies? Hey, this is PJ. I have been out for a couple weeks. I had knee surgery, and I've gotten a lot of messages, people asking me how I am, what's going on, what's happened, what they do. And so this is a little short video blog about my knee surgery. Last Tuesday on the 6th, I believe, of November, I went in for reconstruction knee surgery. They reconstructed my ACL and my meniscus. So, I'm going to show you some pictures and stuff and let you see kind of what happened. This was a major surgery. It was pretty phenomenal. I'm in rehab right now and a little drugged up, and that's why I wanted to make this video, is because I thought it would be great for everyone to see my knee and some of the pictures I have. So, we're going to try to see if I can make this happen. What you're seeing right here is my fat leg. It's a really fat leg. Let me get it right there. What I have is I have 2 screws in my leg and staples. Right here is one, and right here is another one. These are staples that are in my knee. Now, they are titanium staples, and they're not supposed to go off at airports. So that's good. I have no fear about that. Then you also see right here, there is a pin. What they did was they drilled this hole through my knee, an 8mm hole, and they stuck that pin through, and then it slid and turned and it caught my knee. That way it won't fall out later on. So what they did was they drilled an 8mm hole all the way through my knee, stuck screws and took part of my hamstring and my calf, and they made me another ACL, and they drilled it through my knee. It's pretty great, pretty sweet. Here are some more pictures. I'll see if you can see these okay. This right here, this picture is actually my ACL. There's the hole in my knee they drilled, and he took my ACL and he put it through that hole. Here's a close-up version of this big hole right there that they drilled in my ACL, or I mean in my knee. This is cartilage that's damaged, a knee. This right here, this picture is a staple in my leg, in my ACL. Pretty great. These are just more pictures of my knee. Pretty awesome, pretty sweet. And that's kind of the way this ball bounces. Here, I'll show you on my knee. It's not really that bad. It's not that big of a deal right now, but this is what my knee looks like. Now, what's happened is I have a lot of bruising along this portion of my leg right here. It's a lot of bruises because he took a blade and a knife and he stuck it in my knee like this, and he just rammed it all around, because I asked him, why am I so sore right here? And he said he rammed it, and he dug a tunnel this way, and he dug a tunnel this way, and he dug a tunnel, and he just did this. And while I was asleep, he took my knee and he bent it and straightened it like 40 times, and he did all this stuff. And so that's why my knee hurts right now. And then right here, he drilled a hole. 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 And then right here, he made a 2-inch incision to go through my knee. And for those of you who don't know medical terms, an incision is a cut. Took a scalpel, and he sliced it open and opened it like that. Now, am I in pain? Most of the time, yeah. But I have Balicet to help with the pain. And not only Balicet, but I have oxycodone, which is also Percocet, something like that. And I also have hydrocodone. Now, these all could sell on the streets for high dollars, but I don't do that. I've thought about that because I wanted to go on a missions trip to Peru, and so I figured I could get about $50 a pill for these oxycodones, because that's what they sell for on the street. That's their street value. So I did think about it. It did cross my mind, but I asked God to forgive me, and I didn't do it. And I also have right here, these are suppositories for nausea, because all these other pills can make me nauseated and make me sick in my stomach. So they gave me suppositories, They only gave me 4 of them. My wife didn't know what suppositories were. For those of you who may not know what suppositories are, I'll go ahead and open one because I'm not going to use them. They only gave me 4 and I haven't used them yet just because, frankly, I don't do that. Suppositories are kind of bullet shaped, you can see. What you do is you open them out of this package and you take your 2 fingers and you grab it like this and you stick them up your hiney. Kind of gross, huh? Yeah. And my wife has never seen that or done that or had that done. So I was trying to explain to her that Uranus kind of works like a vacuum cleaner. I'm not talking about the planet, and it just kind of bloop, disappears. It's pretty amazing. Anyway, so that helps take away the nausea. And so that's pretty much it. I hope to be back and functioning here pretty soon. But I just wanted to say hi, and I miss everybody. Talk to you later.